What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another Sur Ron video. Gotta love the Sur Ron X, and it's looking particularly beautiful right now with this lighting. But anyways, we're about to let's hop on this bike and start our journey. We're about to go meet up another Sur Ron friend. You guys may have seen his Sur Ron on one of my shorts that I actually shot. There's the street. Turn my light on. Don't forget to turn my light on. So I'm about to go meet up with him, and we're about to go cruise around Ventura Boulevard and see if we run into something interesting. See what happens tonight. Yup. We're supposed to he's supposed to meet me right here at the wash, and it should be about a block away. Man, it seems like I haven't ridden the Sur Ron in I feel like 2 weeks or something like that. Definitely missed this, baby. Look at the wash looking all kind of sketchy. Aren't these lights, I thought these lights stay up longer. Yeah, so these lights are all solar. But what happened? That's it? They run out that quick? Alright, we should meet our friend over here. Should be around here. There he is. Perfect timing. What up? You want to ride around here?
If you want to hit
I'm all trying to drink when I got the helmet on. Well, let's see. This brake, by the way,
yeah,
is that's it. I need to bleed it.
You want to ride?
Let me try. All right, yeah, this is the homie's bike. Let's try it out. Yeah, this brake. So this brake is no good, huh?
No.
Oh man. All right. So this is the homie's Sur Ron. So different than mine with the seat. So different. He also has the 54 tooth sprocket, I believe he said. His Sur Ron sounds different than mine, but yeah, there is a little. I feel a little more bite on that takeoff that maybe mine doesn't have, and the sitting position is nice. Yeah, definitely nice, and he's got that fat front fender too. Yeah, it's so different. You know what? I think ever since we did that thing to your belt, lubed it, it sounds different. You know,
sounds better and it moves better.
Yeah, it sounds better. I got to do that to mine. Nice.
You didn't do what you did to mine to yours?
What? No, not yet. I need to do it. I haven't ridden this in like 2 weeks or something.
So how does it feel though, the torquing?
It's different. It's different. It's got more bite.
It feels
like
good
it's
though,
got
no?
bite to it. It's a 54.
Yeah.
54 teeth. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh. Yeah, look at it. All right. I just hit 1,300 miles. All right, let's go. Let's go! Here, there's a cut right here. Where's the cut? Right here. Shady tunnel. There's a little cut I found. I go directly to Ventura instead of doing some busting more of a mission. Get you directly where we need. Let's go to Winnetka like we did last time. Hit Winnetka, it is in and out. Super big line today, man. That in and out is always busy, always. This is Taft High School. I went here for summer school one time. I was a bad kid and I had to go to summer school. This neighborhood, super expensive. Once you go south of Ventura, here we call it south of the boulevard, the weather gets a little cooler, like I'm feeling right now, and B, the prices of the houses get a little hotter. Like so, where you get humongous beasts like this. Yo, let's go to like a view spot.
I don't want to go to the top of Reseda.
Well, I mean, all of them will be a top of something. I think if you go to top of Winnetka right here, it's so sick.
Where's Winnetka?
Right here, straight.
That's
No, straight. But it's a climb. But it's sick, trust me, bro. You gotta keep your momentum. Let's go. This is why I need a controller. We need that extra boost of energy. Climbing some hills like this. But I wanna show you guys this really, really sweet view spot. Where is this fool? Check this out, guys. What a beautiful spot. Alright, hopefully the bike is cool. I just want to show you guys this cool spot. Look at the view up here. Gorgeous. It's like you're about to land, you know what I mean? Beautiful evening like this definitely calls for a bomb shake. And look at the line. Like I said, guys, this line is constant all the time. Hello, let's go get ourselves a nice little shake. Beautiful chocolate shake. Absolutely delicious. Gotta love this thing. Look at this guy. There we go. I was waiting for that. That was super bomb, guys. The wash. All right, this is our time to tell the homie bye and split. Yeah, that was super cool. Fun time riding along. You guys make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on the video. That's really the only way I know I'm doing a good job and you guys are liking it. and that's the only way, kind of like my fuel to continue, you know what I mean? I need you guys to give me my fuel, baby, so we can continue this and giving you guys this cool content that I hope you guys are enjoying. So like I said, if you enjoy this type of stuff, definitely hit that subscribe, hit that bell too, so you're notified every time I drop a video, and you can show me that love, you know what I mean? But yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.